Welcome to Mazinga!
Welcome to ZoubeirsWorld. Right behind me is St. Kitts, and you are watching the episode of the Island of Statia.
Whew. We're still not there yet. You know, the biggest problem is there's no problem. Oh. Still climbing up. We're still not at the beginning of the trail, but I can see the volcano here in front of me. And the only thing that I want right now is to climb that thing. Almost at the beginning. So this is the intersection. You can go to the left or to the right. But as you can see here on this rock, it says the Quill. So we have to go to the right. Ooh. Ooh, a little bit of shadow. A little bit of shadow in my life. A little bit of Coca-Cola by my side. A little bit of you is all I need. A little bit of traveling, what I see. A little bit of volcano on the top. I'm gonna walk, never gonna stop. So when you're right over here and you see these ruins, that means that you are at the beginning to hike the Quill. Hello, boy. So if you see this friendly dog, then you also know that you're at the beginning of the Quill. Look at the views. All right, now we're going to start hiking the volcano. Aha! Let's see the sign. This is the crater trail. We are here, so I'm gonna hike wee until here, and then we are going to see if we can enter the crater. It had rained in the morning, so I don't know for sure if it's safe to do it, but we'll find out soon. Let's go. So this hike is a moderate hike. You don't have to be a very active hiker to do this, because I'm not a very active hiker. And as you can hear, I'm a little bit out of breath, but it's okay. Some trees are marked so that you know that you're walking the right way, but no need to mark this, right? Let's run a little bit. Whee! Let's go up. I think we're halfway. Let's see. Historical trail. That's not the one that I want to do. It's going down. I want to go up. I want to go to the Quill. The Quill is called the Quill because it's the English translation of de kuil in Dutch. For the Dutch-speaking followers, de kuil, it's a kuil. Het is een krater. En daarom noemen ze het de kuil, or in English, the Quill. It's a crater, and that's why they call it the Quill. That's what I said in Dutch. Okay, so this is the first resting area. There are a bunch of signs around the mountain: white wall, botanical garden, town, a crater around the mountain. So we want to go to the crater, so we have to go up. All right. I think this is the hardest part of the hike, because the first part it's not that steep. Sometimes there are some stairs, but not that steep. And as you can see here, this goes a little bit more steeper up to the crater. I have enough water with me. I have some granola bars, and I have enough time. And that's the most important thing. And right now it's 3 p.m. and around 5 or 5:30 the sun will set, and my plan is to stay on the crater until sunset, because I want to see the sunset. Yeah, I'm gonna hike this trail to the crater road. I'm gonna hike till I can't no more. So there are a lot of mountain crabs. I don't know what these are. Mountain crabs. I call them mountain crabs. Many of those on this crater. And they hear if there are some people walking, they hide in their shell. But when they hide, they roll down the mountain. So when I was walking, I hear like boom, 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 boom. Oh, there's another sign. I wonder how far we are right now. Crater rim to the right, viewpoint to the left. Oh man, this is difficult to choose. Do I want to go to the crater rim or to the viewpoint? I don't know how far it's to the crater rim, and I also don't know how far it is to the viewpoint, but around the mountain is also to the left. After a 30-minute hike inside those bushes, I think I will choose to start with the viewpoint, because I want to see where I am right now, and then we go to the crater. Okay, there's another sign here. Oh, this is the way back. So there's another way back. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my. Oh my. I can see the whole city. Oh man. This is beautiful. Oh wow, wow, wow. I've enjoyed the view a little bit. Now it's time to go to the crater. Ooh, ooh, I almost tripped. Crater rim. Let's do it. Luckily, I have some good shoes on me, so I didn't injure my toes, because you know me, I'm Mr. Slipper. And if I did this on my slippers, then I would have 2 injured toes. This is the mini version of the sequoia trees in California. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think I have made it. Oh, yep. That down there is the crater. Viewpoint is on the right, and on the left is, yeah, that's the crater trail when you go down. Let's go first, see the viewpoint. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh, I'm exhausted. I rested just one time. I drank just a little sip of water. Mazinga. Mazinga, that's the highest peak of this sleeping volcano, and it's somewhere that way. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So now I'm top of this volcano, on top of the Quill. This sleeping volcano is created between 22 and 23,000 years ago. And because this is a sleeping volcano, you see a lot of trees, bushes, plants growing inside the crater. Beautiful. So let's see if we can do the Mazinga Trail. Yeah. Okay. Woo! Look at this. Beautiful. There's some nature stairs growing here. So now we are walking around the crater, and the Mazinga Trail is leading me to the highest peak of this volcano. And I still have 1.5 hours to complete this hike before sunset. And we'll see how far we can go. Oh, here we go. There's another one. I don't know what this is called, but I call them the mountain crabs. Look, it is hiding from me. Come, walk, crabby. Walk. Oh. Between the 13th and the 14th century, this island was inhabited by the Caribbeans, and they call this island Aloy or Alloy, and that means cashew tree. After the Europeans explored this island and they colonized this place, they called it Statia or Sint Eustatius. So the Mazinga Trail has some ropes because it's going a little bit steeper than normal. So let's hold tight. Woo. Okay, what's going on here? You have to grab on this and climb the rock. Okay. Whoop, go underneath it. Up to the second part. This is quite dangerous. Just look where you're put your feet. Oi, we still have to climb up. This is longer than I thought. Oh, so I think the 40 minutes is just until the crater, and from there you can choose to take other hikes like what I'm doing right now, going to the Mazinga Peak. We're almost on top of the Mazinga Trail. Oh wow, this crater view is amazing. Oh yeah. All right, so now we have to climb this steep rock all to the top. That's the Mazinga point. So I'm going to put my drone in my backpack and then I'll see you upstairs. Woo, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh yeah. Here it is. Welcome to Mazinga, the highest peak on this volcano. Ah, made it. Let's make it official. Let's make it official. Let's make it official. Whew. Put my feet over here. Tick, 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 tick. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the highest peak. Warning, continue at your own risk. Trail is no longer being maintained. No, I'm not gonna continue. This is the highest peak, and that's it. Welcome to Mazinga! So what I've learned during this hike is if you want to hike this trail and you want to see the Quill and just the crater, then it will take you approximately 40 minutes. But if you want to hike the Mazinga Trail, then add another extra 40 minutes until 1 hour, because the last part of the hike is not very far, but as you can see, you have to climb and watch your step, and it's very dangerous. It can be very dangerous.